Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Etsy with Shopify, complete guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Shopify account. From your Shopify dashboard, navigate to the Apps section. Click on the Visit Shopify App Store button. In the search bar, type Etsy to find the integration app. Select the app called Etsy Integration by Said Commerce. Click the Add App button to begin the installation process. Authorize the app to access your store by clicking Install App. Once installed, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Etsy account. Log into your Etsy account within the app interface. Grant the necessary permissions for the app to connect to your Etsy shop. Next, configure the settings by linking products from Shopify to Etsy. Choose which products you want to sync by selecting the relevant listings. Review and adjust the sync settings based on your preferences. Ensure your inventory is properly managed by enabling automatic sync. If desired, set up pricing and shipping options to align with Etsy's requirements. After configuring the settings, save your changes. Begin the synchronization process by clicking on the Sync Now button. Monitor the sync progress in the app dashboard. Once complete, verify that your Etsy store reflects the products from Shopify. Check for any errors or issues in the synchronization log. You are now fully connected. You can manage your products seamlessly between Etsy and Shopify. Regularly update your inventory to keep both stores in sync. Explore additional features within the app for optimized performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after reset. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.